Hello, I'm Angela here at the Moxie Movement, and today we're going to talk about what is our starting position when we get into pole movements. This is often overlooked, and it's a really important piece because it sets us up for success. What do I mean by starting position? We can eagerly get up into the pole and we're eager to get into our shapes, but if we're not stacking ourselves appropriately with the proper alignment and really engaging the right muscles, we're not going to be as secure and safe and efficient in our movement. What does it mean to stack ourselves properly? We're actually going to start from our feet and build up with our foundation up. Starting with our feet, make sure that they're underneath our hips. We've got our feet parallel each other, and we're weighted between both feet. Both the front of the foot and the heel have equal weight distribution. From there, we're going to stack up nice and tall. Give yourself a really long back. Make sure we're not pitched forward with our pelvis or tucked under. We want nice neutral pelvis with that long spine. And most importantly, we're going to set those shoulders. So most people, and I am speaking of myself, we tend to get in this forward dominant positioning. It's because we do everything in our lives here. We're sitting like this, we're looking at our phones or on our computers. We want to find that nice vertical lift. We're going to roll those shoulders a few times just to get those shoulders stacked and in alignment. And the most important piece to the shoulders is the lat engagement. And this can be difficult for people to feel. How you're going to feel this? Give yourself a little wrap around what would be lower bra level. Give yourself a little wrap and then take your other hand. You're going to push that thumb into your side. Once you give a little bit of pressure there, you're going to feel that lat muscle poking into your other hand. Find that engagement. Push those lats down, engage them. Shoulders are long. From there, then we're ready to engage with the pole. Whether we pull ourselves up, whether we're doing spins or climbs or lowering ourselves from here. And once you engage those shoulders, you're going to have a very elegant, natural elegance to your shoulders. Rather than being in this position, which looks uncomfortable and it looks like I'm working hard, we're going to be set, we're going to be safe, and we're going to be efficient, making it easier to move up and down that pole. Please like and subscribe to our channel to get more helpful tips. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to tune in next Wednesday for more tips, and we'll see you then.